Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to add another account on Facebook. So as you can see, we're currently logged in already onto our Facebook account. And if you want to add another Facebook account onto your website or onto your device, then you're onto the right guide. So first things first, we're just gonna log out first onto this account. And by doing that, we're just gonna head here onto the upper right corner of the screen where you could see your profile picture. Click onto that, and if you scroll down further, you should be able to see the log out option. So we need to log out first for this. And as you can see, we could see onto the recent logins in here our own account that we have logged in earlier. Now to add another one, we're just going to click onto add account in here. And then we'll just have to type in our email and password. And then we're going to click onto login to go ahead and add another account in here. So this is more like of a shortcut so that it would be easier for you to go ahead and log in onto your account the next time you go ahead and open it. Now, if you want to go ahead and create a completely new account, if you don't have another account, just simply click onto this green button in here. Right after, just add in your first name, last name, your mobile number or email, add in a new password, your birth date, add in your gender, and then just simply click on to sign up. Then right after, you could do the same process. Once you have already created that account, you could do the same process of adding the account in here. Type in the email and password for that and simply click on to login. So if you have two accounts already in here, you could just simply click onto the account that you want to use, input the password, and that is just basically it onto how to add another account on Facebook. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.